What a great day.
Oh, Max, make sure you put on those flag shorts he's got.
Yep.
They all got
A great day with all the people. I'm making one last video.
She comes out, she's got a full carry.
And here's Joey. Joey. There's Rana,
Sneakers with like
Nani, Grandma,
put that in there.
and Angela with a leash for Tommy.
Alright.
So you got a new pet. Libby might be jealous.
That was like
I'm making a video.
What film does that take?
Batteries.
I had it up
Batteries?
There's Rana. Let's follow her.
to it.
Here is everybody.
You're going a little fast. You're gonna make everybody get sick. So yeah, it's been a couple of weeks, but awesome. Slow down.
Okay, I'm wasting this. And here's Joey again. Halftime for Joey.
Oh, he's got the doggy treat.
He is from the Harlem Globetrotter, and he is a dog.
Yeah, I showed him. Then he says there's brand new, Mr. Dane. Why would you give away the...
Here's the director of this film. Me. There's
Everybody's extra.
picture of. There, that's it.